Hi, this is Jessica Simpson with Lula Loops and Stitches. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make double crochet stitches. Double crochet stitches is abbreviated as DC on a pattern, but you'll know more about it as you learn. Quick fact about the double crochet stitch is that this stitch is 2 times as long as the single crochet, and you'll start to understand what this means later on when I demonstrate for you. So let's get started. Let's start by making a foundation chain of 20, and if you're very new to this and don't know how to do this, refer to my videos where I show you all the skills needed in order to complete this one. Also, if you are new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to click the bell button right next to it so you don't miss anything. Now that we have the 20 chain stitches completed, we are going to start by making the first double crochet stitch in the 4th chain stitch. This will be, and it's from the hook. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the 4th chain stitch if we count from the hook. The reason why I'm starting on the 4th chain stitch is because these 3 chain stitches that I just skipped equal the height of the double crochet, and it is used as turning point. And let's start. We are going to start by yarning over, inserting the hook in the 4th chain from the hook. We are going to yarn over again, and we are going to pull out a loop, leaving 3 loops on your hook, if you see. Then you're going to yarn over again, and you're going to draw the yarn through the first two loops, yarn over again, and draw the yarn through the other 2 loops. You have now a double crochet stitch. Now we are going to work on the next one, and let's do it. Yarn over, insert your hook, you're going to yarn over again, pull out a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the other 2 loops. Okay, let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull out a loop, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the last 2 loops, and you have 3 double crochet. Now I'm going to continue, and you can meet me at the end so I can help you understand how to do double crochet in a 2nd row. Let's continue. Okay, now these are the last 2 stitches we have. We are going to repeat the same steps. And now we have a foundation chain of double crochet. So in order to complete double crochet on a 2nd row, we need to start by making 3 chains. Then we turn our work. To start a new row of double crochet stitches, you only need to skip the first chain stitch, which is the ones used as a turning point. So this one, we are going to skip it, okay? This is at the very beginning of the crochet stitches. You only need to skip the first chain stitch which is the ones used as a turning point. So this one we are going to skip it, okay? This is at the very beginning of each row. After that, you don't need to skip any chain unless otherwise specified in a pattern, but you'll understand more about it as you learn. I'm going to insert a hook in the second chain stitch from the hook, following the same steps I showed you before. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull out a loop, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the 2 loops, yarn over again, draw your yarn through the last 2 loops. And that's how you're going to continue in the next one. Let's continue and you can meet me at the end. Okay, these are the very last 2 stitches, if you see. Make sure you don't get confused with the turning point that down here is above. So we are going to insert our hook always between the 2 strands. Okay, so this is the end, and this is how a double crochet stitch is done. If you have questions, please ask in the comments. You can also share any other projects you need help with, and I will try my best to accommodate my time and make it happen for you. Thank you, and see you next time. Hey, don't forget to check out my videos where I show you step by step those skills needed in order for you to start this crochet journey. And don't forget to subscribe.